It's John the Net Guy, and these seats, well, they're gray, but they're really not. You see, this came with a super hot black interior, and I wanted to spice it up with something new and unique, so I threw these. These are PU leather seat covers, so this is faux leather, but that means that I can get it dirty, I can get it scuffed, I can throw my tools in the back, and if that happens, I can always replace it. The original seats are clean underneath, and it actually adds a little bit of extra padding, especially in the seat areas. I love the two-tone design. It's a super cool upgrade if you're looking to spice up your truck. This is the 2017 to 2022, I believe, Super Duty model. Fit and finish, they're a 10 out of 10. Somebody did a great job when it came to molding and sizing these things. To install, make sure it's a cool day because it's over 90 and I decided to do it on a hot day. But take a cool day. It takes you about 35-40 minutes. I'll show you how to get to the back of the seats here because that's the ones that are the most tricky. But overall, super easy to install, about 35-40 minutes, and you'll have a brand new interior. Another cool thing, you can change the color. They have reds, they have grays, they've got blacks. If your interior is cloth, this is a no-brainer. This is a spill-resistant, wear-resistant, smell-resistant if you got pets. Interior upgrade for your F350 Super Duty.
Hey, you're still here. Well, this is how the unboxing went. As you can see here, it comes with 14 unique pieces that are all pre-cut and measured specifically to fit the Super Duty Ford truck. Now, each piece is labeled. Just look carefully and you'll see which place that it goes in. I took the instruction manual, the little upholstery tool, some gloves, put them off to the side, and then I took each piece and kind of laid it out roughly in the vehicle where it goes. One thing I was happy about is that they don't look pillowy. I didn't want to have something that looked like it didn't fit, and I was actually really happy with the fit and finish here. The only suggestion I might have is that little white piping that goes around the headrest. I wish that was color matched, but that's the only nitpicky thing I can say here. Installation, about 30 minutes, as you can see. You will want to use the straps behind there to get up any slack that you have in these, and the longer they sit on there, they actually form to the seats and fit even better here. So as you can see, when it's all done, I now have a protective cover for my kids, my tools, coolers and things. If they leak, I don't have to worry about it hurting my interior. And I even like this little center cushion that they have. Thanks for watching.